You thinking of dropping your asking price? Don't. You're going to want to hear what I have to say. When your agent suggests a price drop, it can be frustrating. It's not because they've suddenly decided the house is worth a couple £1,000s less. It's because it's one of the only levers they can pull to reinvigorate the listing online. Every single listing online is going to look like this when you review viewings over time. There's going to be an initial spike where it first gets posted, then a little bump, and then it's going to taper off. I promise if you ask your agent to see your analytics for your online listing for your property, you're going to see that shape. So when an agent says they have lots of buyers, the way they're getting these buyers is by folks who click on their listings, which means your property is going to benefit from all the other listings your agent has. The more they've got, the more buyers coming in, the more people will come see your house. What we want is to make sure that every listing is funneling all of those buyers to you. So you need agents with the most properties, but most importantly, you need loads of agents to make sure you're covering the entire market. And the way to do this is to instruct multiple agents. Here's the thing. Multiple agents usually cost more. Now, high-value sellers are usually selling lots of high-value homes, and they can throw their weight around and set the price they like. But your average homeowner isn't in that position. Because we manage so many listings for so many sellers, we know how each agent operates, and they understand what it's like to work with us, which means we can smooth the path where other people might struggle managing multiple agents. We built a product called the Marketplace that allows us to manage sales exactly like this, with multiple agents, totally covered, totally managed, no hassle for you. Sound good? Good. If you want more, you can download our ebook and learn more tips and tricks for how to manage your own home sale. Or if you're totally convinced, just get in touch today for a free, no obligation home sale health assessment, where one of our market experts will walk you through your agent pool, all the tips and tricks impacting your local market, and make sure that you've got information that you can take away to get your best ever home sale.